Hey guys, I'm back. So today I'm show you a story of an airplane family. Action! Hey, this hey brother, what are you doing? Yeah, only two. We have a lot of fun, but we need to find more friends, right? Yeah, let's go. Now, I'm gonna find a friend for new. Oh, new. Oh, me too. My name, new. Oh, hello. What's your name? My name is 747. Oh, nice to meet you, 747. I'm Navy 30. I'm 757. Oh, hi, guys. Hey, let's be friends. Okay. But, la 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 la. Should we find more friends? Hey, I have a friend too. Right there. Hey, guys. What's going on? My name is Avery 80, right? Yeah, I'm 30. I'm 757. Okay, let's go meet some friends too. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. 4 months later, I heard there's some good friends there. Let's go meet them. Okay. New. Oh, there they are. Oh, hello. Hello. My name is Hermacus 320. I'm Hermetis 340. Okay, let's be friends. Okay. Since after that those six are be good, then they live forever. Thanks for watching my video. If you did, definitely press the like button and subscribe, and I'll make the link in the. And tomorrow is a very special day. You know tomorrow.